వామ్మోకి ఏంటి అందరూ బాబు బయటకు పోనీకుండా చేస్తుంది. యాక్చువల్లీ ఐ థాట్ సో బై ద వే whenever I talk in Telugu, my non-Telugu speaking audience, you can ignore it. Usually it is an expression. Whenever I want to express from deep within English, it is not so effective. So naturally this is how I talk and it comes out. Anyways, what's up guys? Kaise ho? Ela unnaru? Hope everyone is doing great. Also, today I'm planning to take this treatment out. Almost 20 days I did not start it. It seems my dad started it once or twice in between, which is good for the battery and all that, for the engine oil to move and all that. But then I did not take it. The wheels did not roll. So I thought today I'll take it for a spin. I feel I'm not doing justice to this bike. And I am not. The way I did justice for the Tiger, that is like amazing. 50,000 kilometers done on it, ripped it everywhere possible, had real fun out of it. But इसके साथ वो नहीं हो रहा. I wanted to do that now. I even wanted to modify a few things on this. First thing I would like to change is these dumb looking indicators and these dumb looking rear view mirrors. You get some nice bar end mirrors. I want to put those and proper LED indicators like bullet indicators. Bullet with the Royal Enfield वाला नहीं. These are like proper. How do I show it? I think I'll put it here somewhere. There are a lot of accessories you can put on the street win. I wanted to start doing that because right now it is like 100% stock bike. Anyways, that is for a different day. For today, I'm planning to take out the bike for a spin. Not now, it is super hot. 33? It feels really hot, but I've been doing rides in 33. I've done rides in 44 as well when I went to Kanyakumari. But one thing is for sure, you can't enjoy a ride like that. I did enjoy the Kanyakumari trip, but then definitely I realized it is not that enjoyable. Anyways, Seltos is still here. I put the Verna right there, piche. Now this is one issue. Whenever I wanted to take the Seltos out, we have to move the Verna first. पहले इसका cover निकालना पड़ेगा. Remove this cover, remove the car piche, put the car here. And then remove the Seltos, put the Verna back here. Too much of a hassle. I need to keep saving money. That is very important right now. I have a family to run, 2 to 3 bikes to maintain. I have a Seltos to maintain. I have to buy my gadgets. I have to feed this 6-pack body. Just kidding, dude. But on a serious note, the next big purchase will definitely be an adventure tourer. So उसके लिए I need to make money and save it. So मेरा ads थोड़ा ज़्यादा देख लो यार. But you know what, I'll be honest, life is getting much more adventurous. I'm not talking about the bike adventures and all that, like I'm talking about proper life. It is definitely getting adventurous. Reality is hitting me really hard. All these days I'm having a diet coke. Sorry, all these days not having a diet coke. All these days, I think not just me, even you people used to live like, I'm not sure about you guys, but at least I used to live like nothing's gonna come from the future. Life is gonna just be like this. But no, things are changing. I have a family. I have to give attention there as well. I have to give I wanted to give because financials and everything, I'm working very hard towards my passion and all that. I'm able to see money is like a byproduct now. Financials are getting a little bit stable. It's not just with YouTube and all that. I have other things as well. Garka things. Professional life going great. I'm having fun. I keep doing my rides whenever I want. All this is going great. But one thing I'm missing. Diet Coke is allowed. I know it is not good all the time. Once in a while it is allowed. What was I saying? I forgot what I was saying. I need to rewind this and check. Seriously, Sriman? You forgot? Oh yes, now literally after working for almost 4 years on YouTube, now I feel I wanted to spend more time with my family. I wanted to spend more time with Naisha. Because this is the time which you can never get it back. How much ever money you spend, how much ever fame you get, how much ever success you get, one thing that I'm not gonna get back is time with Naisha, time with my wife, time with my dad, mom. I wanted to be here more. Now why am I sharing all this? You guys also should know it is not always about running towards success and all that. You should equally divide everything. But when I share all this, I feel good. This is what vlogs are all about, right? Like I told you recently, because of my diet changes, because of the bike trips, these pimple outbursts are happening. Now if you compare it to the previous video, they are getting much better, cleansing it properly, and I'm using the 5% hyaluronic acid by the Dermaco. Definitely giving me good results. As you can see, it is much better now if you compare it to my previous video. One more reason this outburst can happen is because of the harsh UV. When you expose to the sun, the UV radiations, the pollution, everything, they cause your skin to dry up, which causes dullness and dryness to your skin. Basically, the property of the serum is that it can hold up water. 1 gram of this, it can hold up to 6 liters of water, dude. Which means when you apply this on your skin, you know the kind of hydration that happens to your skin. It helps replenish the collagen, which definitely improves the elasticity, and you get that nice nourished look on your skin. Also, it is infused with vitamin B5. So I apply like 2 to 3 drops of this all over my face and my neck. Avoid the eye area, sensitive part. All the Dermaco products are designed using scientific ingredients which are safe and effective to use. It's an honest brand. They display the exact amount of active ingredients in it. And yes, the Dermaco believes in a life without filters. You have to love your skin. You're born in, right? You can use my coupon code SRIMAN20, get flat 20% off at Dermaco. Make sure you do a patch test before trying any product on you. All new Speed Twin. You know one issue with Triumph, they give all these teasers much long before the bike is actually released. It is hyped so much. I would love to see the bike, but it is non-existent. Like literally we need to wait for 3 or 4 months. Maybe that is a part of their strategy which might be working for them, but I don't know. I personally feel when you're releasing a bike on social media, make sure it comes within at least 20 days or maybe a month or 2. But this is like, for example, the new Trident is being advertised everywhere possible, but I don't see the bike. It's almost like I think 2 or 3 months now. So people eventually get bored of it even before they actually see the bike. They started teasing the Speed Triple. The Speed Triple RS, lovely bike. Like, what are the specs? Like, mind blowing. But then the bike is not here. More than a month now. Now they started teasing the 1200 Explorer, which was one of my options, which might be one of my options if it comes sooner, but I don't know when it's gonna come. I mean, this is not just my opinion. I've spoken to our biking community, a couple of people. Everyone feels the same thing. Please don't take me in a wrong way or a negative way. I love Triumph. Sriman is Triumph. Triumph is Sriman always. And mind you, the best customer support you can get if you're going for a premium segment bike. I don't know about BMW, I don't know about Ducati. Triumph is rank 1 in India at least. The kind of, see, if I'm going away from Triumph, this is one thing I'm gonna miss for sure. If I'm going for a different adventure tourer, I'm definitely gonna miss this one thing. The kind of support every Triumph rider, not just me, every Triumph rider gets, that's next level and no one can match it. Someone came, I hope it's some parcel. No. Just got some shorts delivered, gym shorts. You wanna see it? Those are the shorts, Jordan shorts. You know, if you're a fan of Nike, you know that there are something called Jordans. Nike and Michael Jordan collaboration, which is amazing. I love it. Only thing is, once again, Sriman likes only expensive things. I don't know why. Let me test ride it. Let me wear them and see if they're fitting me. Actually, we talk like this, right? If you're trying out some shirt, we talk in biker language. Test ride karo pehle. Or if you're saying, how much is this laptop? We'll be like, on-road price kitna hai? Now, let's see how much do these cost. Accessories that I was talking about for the Street Twin. I like this about the Triumph website. Customize my bike. Which bike do you want to customize? I want to customize Street Twin. Choose your color. My color is matte ironstone. See this 102 accessories, dude. Heated grip kit. Oh my god, there is a heated grip kit for the Street Twin. 21,368. Kya? No. This bike is meant for the city, for me at least. This is what we need. Oh, rear indicator is separate. That is 8,400. 10,200 plus 8,500, almost 20,000 rupees for indicators. Sahi. Right now it is fine. This is how you have to get out when it's summer, like proper summer. With a still TK, you can actually come out around 3:30, 4 o'clock also. It is not like super hot. Arey yaar, I'm missing my Tiger there. Chota sa passport size Dio dikh raha udhar. Soon it's gonna come, I think another 7 or 8 days. I'm gonna miss my Tiger for sure, but ek din to pakka I need to miss it because obviously I'm gonna sell it. Not sure, still did not decide it. I need a proper genuine buyer who will properly take care of my bike. Like I told you, first thing I want to change on the bike is these round Goodlu. They look like evil eyes. What are these stems, dude? Such a beautiful bike. Everything was designed so well on this classic, but these somehow, I feel these are too long. I mean, for my personal preference, I feel these are too long. Oil is less, or let me check my brake pads. Yaar, this is one more kharcha in case I have to change it. But maybe another 1500 2000 kilometers. That's too short, yaar. That means I'm using the front brake too much. First thing I have to do is put some fuel in the bike. It's not in reserve yet. What a sound, what a sound. Not wearing any jacket. I'm gonna ride slowly, आराम से chilled out ride. वैसे तो light is here, reserve. 80 kilometers range है. Maybe while coming back also I can do it. You get at least, if I'm not wrong, I have experienced up to 35 seriously, not joking, 35 kilometers for a liter. But realistically, if you're riding at a good pace, you will get at least 22 to 23 to आराम से. See, now it's 79. Yes, Sriman just said 80, no? It will go down to 79. Right now time is 6:30, which means we're gonna have crazy good traffic, and it's a weekday, midweek literally. The more I ride this bike, the more I'm loving it. Slowly my body is getting used to it. Usually this road is not this crowded, but because this underbridge is open now, there's a lot of traffic here. Sriman, तेरा lucky day है आज. What is today? Tuesday? Tuesday is not a lucky day usually. Full खाली मिल रहा signals. Usually all these signals have like half kilometer jams. See, green हो गया. Oh, awesome. Seriously यार, मज़ा आ रहा riding this bike. Amazing, nice, pleasant temperature. Oh, one more modification, one more accessory that is very important is कीकी हॉर्न. ये कीकी जाके टाइगर का पॉम पॉम लगाना, अदरवाइज पीपल आर नॉट गोना मूव. दे विल थिंक एन अफ्रीका सॉरी एक्टिवा इज कमिंग. अभी तो फर्स्ट थिंग लेट्स पुट सम फ्यूल. 500 కొట్టు, 500. 94 rupees fuel. OMG. Recent trip में राजस्थान में we also put fuel at 100 rupees for a liter. हैदराबाद में तो कम है. And it's better I take the bike out more because it's too expensive yaar. Fuel is like crazy. Agra bhai nengoda povale pora. हमारा Seltos so doesn't, it's a petrol by the way. తాగోత్ లెక్క తాగుతుంది. Obviously it is a petrol, a DCT automatic power అని చెప్పి తీసుకున్నా. It is very good. Obviously the engine response, the handling, everything is really good. But then petrol mileage, I usually keep showing you that 12-13 kilometers for a liter, right? That is at its best. If you ride it a little bit aggressively, you will get 7 or 8. By the way, हमारा subscribers तो बहुत ज़्यादा हो गया हैदराबाद में. I'm loving it, definitely. Thank you for so much amazing love you're giving me. But there are two things I would like to clear. One thing I already told you, don't come to my house because I personally feel bad. You come to my house and then dad and mom are like, don't entertain here, what is this, we are busy at work, someone is coming and ringing the bell, this is not happening, last 15 days you're not here, but still people came. They're giving me complaints. So one thing, please don't come to my house. Today morning, for example, one of you met me near the road, on the main road. That's like amazing. I have no issues. I really feel good. Someone is taking out time and coming and meeting me. That's really good. But घर के पास, I don't think that's a good idea, right? Second thing is, today, right now, I didn't vlog it, but 2 or 3 people were following me. Don't do that, yaar. It's risky for you. It's risky for me as well. I mean, I'm somewhere in that traffic सामने. But people started chasing me like 60-70 speed mein. They were trying to escape all the traffic and come fast. I could see that in the rear view mirror. I thought I'll stop on the side and meet them, but then I was in the middle. I couldn't take a left. So let's meet. I wanted to meet you guys, no doubts about that. Let's meet, but at a safe place, at a safe time and all. No need to rush and meet me. Where am I gonna go? I'm gonna be here. Hyderabad pillagani edavota jepu idane batkali idane savale. Anyway, talking about the mileage of this particular bike, the Street Twin 2020 version, 4.3 liters for 100 kilometers. I don't know what is that for a liter. I need to stop. When I stop, I'll calculate it. I'm very bad at mathematics. I need a calculator, please. That's loud. 100 divided by 4.3. 23.2 kilometers per liter. This is the average we're getting on a Street Twin in complete traffic. It's good, right? I'll see you in a couple of minutes, alright? And I'm here at Pooja's house. I came here to see my Chotu Naishu and my Bada Pooja.
She's coming. She knows she's on camera. See, she missed the camera all these days.
Naishu, what are you going to do with the camera?
Naishu, do you remember the camera?
In today's vlog, I was saying that I want this part of my life to be better, the personal part, which is being with a Potti more, because I'm always traveling every month, one trip हुआ. So I thought I wanted to spend more. She's vlogging. Yes. By the way, she got some allergy. अरे तुम लोग का नजर लग रहा इसको.
हाँ मेरी बेटी को नजर
My
लगा रहे
wife,
सब.
my wife, my अत्तम्मा they all say. अत्तम्मा को क्या बोलते रहे? नहीं हिंदी में. हाँ मदर इन लॉ को क्या बोलते हैं हिंदी में? My सास, my अत्तम्मा basically she is also saying because I'm showing her too much on the camera नजर लग रहा. So you people are the culprits. I say kidding, nothing like that. My subscribers gave a lot of blessings to Naisha, dude.
Yeah, they talk like that.
Only thing is, just joking. She got some allergy, food allergy. We're thinking. Showed it to the doctor. Everything is fine. We gave her some medicine, all that. Dosage भी हो गया. अभी it's getting much better. वो burn marks भी चले गए almost 95% इधर चले गए. And here there is one left, so little bit of mark. Show your face. Good. Nice, you good. Oh, you're also doing it. Now we have some new tricks of Naisha.
Naishu.
Presenting to you Naisha's new tricks.
Naishu. हाँ Naishu. Naishu सुनो Naisha मम्मा को सॉरी बोलो.
पापा को sorry बोलो.
पापा को भी सॉरी बोलो.
Very good.
Naishu.
But Naisha, you shouldn't say sorry just like that, okay? Remember.
Of course she knows.
Life class.
Oh, she's down. Very
You should
smart
say
one.
sorry only if you did some mistake.
आजकल की kids बहुत smart है.
Okay?
अच्छा,
Head high,
Naishu.
always head high.
Naishu train कैसे बोलती है?
Train कैसे बोलती है Naisha?
Train कैसे
Wait,
बोलती है?
I'll give you one.
She sounds more like a
Okay, she
werewolf.
wants the camera now. As if you can hold it. तेरा size है camera.
इधर आओ.
Any more new tricks? Naisha, train कैसे बोलती है? Pooja, do you have any hint about which bike I'm gonna get next?
Obviously
Hint?
BMW.
मत बोल दो. You keep listening to all our
I do
conversations.
have an idea, but I'm not saying it.
What is that?
BMW.
BMW का idea सबको है. All my subscribers know that I might get a BMW. But
Then that's the idea.
any other hint? What bike do I like most?
You like Ducati Multistrada?
I like to see it, but because the way it looks, it's beautiful. But practically, I don't think I can buy it.
MV.
MV.
But उतना पैसा नहीं है तेरे पास. But उतना पैसा नहीं है तेरे पास. But उतना पैसा नहीं है तेरे पास.
అంత మాట్లాడినాక ఇంకా బ్లాగ్ చేయడం అవసరమా? ఉత్త పైసా నయ్యే తెరే పాస్. రాగా చెప్పాలంటే నీ మొక్కానికి అంత సీన్ లేదు. అవసరమా మనకి ఇంకా బ్లాగ్ చేయడం? Just kidding, she doesn't know that MV Agusta is as expensive as a BMW. In case I'm okay getting a BMW, I can also get the MV. What Pooja ji? Anyways, I'm gonna end the video right here. Thank you for watching. In case you guys like the video, you guys know what to do. Hit the like button, do share, do comment, do subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next vlog.